What's going on, guys? Crusher Hayes here, and today in this video, which is the part 1 of the series how to solve a Rubik's Cube, I will be showing you the tutorial of solving the first layer of the Rubik's Cube. So before starting the video, how about you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. So in order to be able to solve the first layer of the Rubik's Cube, what you need to understand about the cube is: Number 1, the parts of the cube. Number 2, the layers of the cube. And number 3, some basic algorithms. So let's start off with the parts of the Rubik's Cube. Okay, so the first part that you need to learn about is the center of a cube. The Rubik's Cube consists of 6 centers of 6 different colors. Here are the examples of the centers. The second part you want to learn about are the edges. This is an example of a red-blue edge piece. It consists of 2 colors, red and blue, and every edge piece joins 2 centers. For example, this edge is joining the red-blue centers. Let's take a look at a different angle. So this particular edge piece is joining the 2 centers of the same color. And here are some other examples of the edge pieces. Now the final part is the corner. The corner consists of 3 different colors, for example this corner over here. And in total there are 8 corners in the Rubik's Cube. So that was all you need to learn about the parts of the Rubik's Cube. The second part, that is the layers of the cube. So let's take a look what the layers of a cube mean. This is a right layer and this one is a left layer. This layer is known as the upper layer and its opposite is known as the bottom layer. The layer which is in the front is known as the front layer, and the layer in the back is known as the back layer. Now we will learn about the directions that are used in a particular algorithm. So this move is known as R and its reverse is known as R prime. This is known as L prime and its reverse is known as L. This is known as U and its opposite is known as U prime. This is known as D and its reverse simply known as D prime. The layer in the front, if we move it clockwise, it is F and its reverse is F prime. And the last layer, if we rotate it clockwise, it is B and anti-clockwise B prime. So that was all the important information that you needed to learn about the Rubik's Cube. Now we will simply start the tutorial, and first I will just scramble the cube and I'll be back shortly. So now we have a well mixed up cube. The first step in solving the Rubik's Cube is to form a daisy. And what I mean by that is you have to find the yellow center. And around it there will be 4 edge pieces. And your goal is to replace all the 4 edges with the edges that contain a white sticker in them. Here is an edge piece that contains a white sticker. So let's match up with the yellow center. But as you can see, it's not matched up because the white side is not facing the center. So follow me. And as you can see, it's now matched up. We have to do the same thing with the rest of the remaining 3 edge pieces. So here is one more in the left layer, and check it out how I will solve it. You have to do the same thing with the remaining ones. Now here is an important case. As you can see, I have a white edge on the left layer, and if I try to just solve it with the same method as we did the last one, you can see that it's disturbing the already solved white edge piece. So what to do in such a situation? It's very easy. You just have to rotate the front layer and insert that edge piece in an empty slot like this. So now finally we have got the daisy. The upcoming step is very easy. So if you recall, what we learned during the parts of the Rubik's Cube was that every edge has 2 stickers in it. Same is the case with all 4 edges that are around the yellow center over here. So except the white sticker, they will be having 4 different colored stickers in them, isn't it? Now you have to match the colors in the edges with their respective centers. For example, I am choosing this red-white edge piece. It contains a red and white sticker. Now we will match it with the red center and move it 180 degrees. Do the same with the rest of the 3 edges left. If we have a already matching edge with its respective center, you only have to rotate it 180 degrees. Now we are done. We have shifted all the 4 edges and rotated them 180 degrees, and now they are all the way down in the bottom layer, matching with a white center now. Now we are very close to solve the first layer. All that's left now is to solve the 4 corners. And if you want to check that have you solved your cross correctly or not, you just have to see that have you matched every single edge with its respective center. Now we will proceed to solve the 4 corners. In order to solve the 4 corners, first of all, the cross that you just solved, you just have to keep it in the bottom. And in the top layer that's now containing the yellow center, you just have to find a corner piece that contains a white sticker in it. For example, this corner piece and this corner piece contain the white sticker in them. We will choose any of them. For example, I will choose this one. It contains 3 stickers as every corner contains. It has white, orange and green. So except the white sticker, it has orange and green stickers. So we have to place this particular corner between the 2 centers, which means we have to put this edge between the orange and green center. Now let's place it in its particular position, which is between the orange and green center. And for doing that, we simply have to rotate it until it comes between the 2 respective centers. And now this corner piece has got its position. Now to solve it, we have to hold this corner piece so that it comes into our right layer, and we have to perform the following algorithm, which is going to be R, U, R prime, U prime. And now this corner piece is solved. Now let's solve the remaining ones. For me, it's gonna be this red and green. I will place it between the red and green centers like we did the last one and perform the same algorithm. And here's an important note. You might have to perform this algorithm many times depending on the case that you have to solve that particular corner piece, like this one. And as you can see now, this corner is also solved. You may get a case where there are no corners having the white stickers left in the top layer, which means that they are stuck in the bottom layer and we have to take them out using the same algorithm. R U R prime U prime, and now it's in the top layer, and now we'll place it in the respective centers and then perform the same algorithm to solve it. And yes, we have solved this corner as well, and now we are left to solve the last corner, which is also stuck at the bottom, but no worries, we're gonna first take it out and then solve it using R U R prime U prime, no matter how many times you need to perform it. And as this is the last corner left, it will be already placed, or you may need to place it between its respective centers. And congratulations! You have solved the first layer of the Rubik's Cube, and the first layer will be forming a band of consecutive colors like this. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, because I'll be coming up with more awesome videos. And at last, I want to give a shout out to one of my friend Kaim. He has just started a new YouTube channel with the name as Dark Rider. He makes Free Fire content. So if you guys love the game, make sure you show him some love and check out his channel. I will link his channel down in the description below. Make sure you check it out. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.
With